Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe and then hit the bell too to get notified when we put out a new video.
Today we're going to show you how to make an epoxy ocean cutting board. You're going to need our amazing clear cast epoxy, some dies, and a cutting board to get started. You're going to want to mix equal parts of A and B of amazing clear cast by volume. Mix and fold over the epoxy until the mixture is clear. Separate your epoxy into 5 different cups. For your first mixture, add a scrape of black dye and 2 drops of transparent blue. The second mixture, add a drop of transparent blue, a drop of ocean blue, and 2 drops of white. Your third mix consists of 1 drop of ocean blue and 2 drops of white. The fourth and final mixture needs 2 drops of white. Leave the 5th cup clear for later. Next step is to raise your cutting board above your workspace. That way you're not going to glue your cutting board down to the plastic. Pour your shades of blue, starting with the darkest color, all the way up to the lightest. Using a stir stick, blend the shapes together for an even gradient. You can also use a gloved hand to mix. Just be sure not to get any on your skin. When you're happy with your pour, add a small line of clear epoxy at each transition point. Make sure and top your clear line with a coat of white epoxy. Now use a heat gun or even a blow dryer to spread and blend your lines to give it a more natural look. You're trying to make waves here, so you want to make them look like waves. Allow the board to dry overnight before sanding down your drips and blemishes. You can also manage your drips by wiping them down periodically. Clean it up, and now you have a beautiful serving tray that is sure to impress.